Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps. Make sure you have your user credentials and a working internet connection. Open Apple menu and choose About this Mac to copy the serial number for later verification. Then go to System Settings and immediately navigate to Privacy and Security or Profiles. This is where management settings appear. If Profiles is visible, you're already in the right place. If not, proceed to check enrollment through Terminal next. Keep everything visible so you can compare findings. Now check for actual enrollment and installed profiles, which is the core investigation. Open Profiles in System Settings and read any mobile device management entries. Look for organization names and payload permissions so you know what's controlled. If Profiles isn't present or you want deeper proof, open Terminal and run sudo profiles show to list profiles. If using Jamf, run sudo jamf check JSS. Once done, note any server URLs, device ID, or enrollment dates you find so you can confirm ownership and scope. Finish by confirming the server details and whether the MDM is active. Compare any URLs or organization names to what your employer or provider uses so you avoid false positives. If you own the device and need to remove management, only remove profiles after getting authorization. Otherwise, contact the IT admin. If checks fail or settings are hidden, reboot into safe mode and repeat the terminal commands. This often exposes blocked profiles. If problems persist, gather screenshots and the serial number before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.